Now students, let's check out some properties. As the properties, we always have properties for all the four operations. So here we have a properties for division. So let's start. First property is, if we divide a number by 1, if we divide any number by 1, the quotient, this Q is quotient, the quotient is the number itself. The answer, the quotient will be the number itself. Example, if I'm dividing 262, 262 is a number. If I'm dividing this number by 1, so you all can see that the quotient is the number itself. Second, if we divide a number by itself, if we are dividing the number by itself, the quotient is 1. So 262 divided by 262, the number is 262 and I am dividing this number by itself. So here we can see the quotient is 1. These properties you have to learn. Next, the third property is, if we divide 0 by a number, the quotient is 0. If we are dividing any number, if we are dividing 0 by any number, means if the 0 is the dividend and we are dividing it with any divisor, so the quotient will always be 0. Students, please keep this thing in the mind. Dividend should always be greater than the divisor, and we always write dividend on the left side. This is a dividend, this is a dividend, this is a dividend, and this is a dividend. This is divisor, this is divisor, this is divisor, this is divisor. If in case, if you write the positions improper, if you're writing the positions wrong, that means you are not clear with the concept of divisor and dividend. Last property is, dividing a number by 0 is incorrect. This is not any property. Means if you are dividing any number by 0, means if your divisor is 0 and you have some dividend, so that is incorrect. It is not possible. Possibility is still property number 3. So these all are the properties which you have to remember for all the 4 operations. You cannot interchange the properties. The properties of each and every operation is fixed. So let's start with exercise 2.5.